How to add music on your Facebook post. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add music to your Facebook post. Start by launching your Facebook application. Make sure you have logged in to your account and also install the latest version of Facebook so that you won't miss out any new features. After that, just tap on your profile which is on the left side of the top side, and now what you need to do is just tap on the What's on Your Mind option right there. After you tap and select your preferred photos or any post that you want to post and want to add music on it, what you need to do is tap on the edit option right here. After tapping on the edit option, you can see there is the option of music here. Now just tap the music to make it follow on your post. For example, if I want to follow this music on my post, then I just need to tap on this. You can even search for your music and then just tap on the done option and then it will be posted on your Facebook. So that is how you can do it very simply. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.